Hi dears, I'm Saber Link from Lumino Studio. If you are a game developer or YouTuber or someone who needs sound effects, you can easily find the sound you need on the Lumino page. Now you may be asking yourself, what is a Lumino? Lumino is a sound production studio and its job is to collect a large number of sound and provide them to you, dear one, with good quality. So, where can you find the address of the Lumino page? I put the link in the description. You can get a lot of sound in two markets. The first link of the Lumino page is inside the Unity Asset Store, and the second link of the Lumino page inside the Game Dev Market. We have prepared thousands of sound for you.